Hey guys, today we have a Toshiba satellite l775-s7307, which came in here for the power jack repair. And the problem here is the obviously the jack right there. That's broken. So I will show you how to take it apart, how to replace the jack. And if you want, you could send it to us, we can fix it, or stop by, we can fix it, whatever works for you. And if you like the video, leave a like, okay? Alright, so first of all, we take the battery off, obviously. Alright, so here. And let me reposition the camera so you can see better. Alrighty. So let's unscrew the screws. One right there, one right there. One should be right here, but there is none of them. So one here, 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 and right here, right here, right here. Right there. Alright, just in case you're not gonna understand something here, we got a couple more videos of this laptop being repaired by us a couple of years back and like a year ago. I mean, they do come in here every now and then. Just now we got a better camera and better angles to shoot at. Alright. Right there. Okay, so let's lift up this cover. Lift up that cover. I see that there is no battery on the inside right here for some reason. Oh no, there is one. But for some reason it fell out. Strange, right? Yeah. Let's remove the hard drive. Alright. Okay, so here we pop out this screw. Alrighty. Okay. Make sure all the screws out, flip it over, open up the screen. Alright, here we probably gonna do this. This guy out, remove that, and now we unscrew this guy, that guy. Okay, like that. Flip the keyboard over, unplug the keyboard cable, remove that, unplug the touchpad cable, remove the touchpad cable, and now we got screw right here, screw right there, another one right here, right here. Okay. Alright, seems like everything. So let's disconnect the top from the bottom. Now you have to disconnect this cable right here. Okay. So we set that aside. Here we got the jack. Here we got some metal part right here that fell from the jack. So here we disregard the jack. I mean the metal parts here. So okay, so disconnect the jack like that. Seems like somebody was screwing around with this cable right here, so it might or might not work, and the jack basically looks like that. Alright, so we have to disconnect the rear cables. Okay. What I'm doing right now is just removing the heat shrink. Just removing the heat shrink from the contacts, like that, so that when I start to desolder, I'll have enough space to desolder. Okay, so like that. Okay. Like that. Okay, so now I have to find a replacement jack, so give me a few minutes. You know, while I'm looking for a new jack, just check out the website powerjackrepair.org. Seems like I found the replacement connector. This is how it's supposed to look like. And I'm just gonna solder plus here. So red goes here, black goes here. Okay. So now that we got the jack soldered in place, alright, let's see. Alright, so that's how we solder right here. Okay. So here. We want to remove all the debris from there. Okay, let's put the new jack in. Like that. Like that, like that. And like that. Yeah, you know, it's really hard to say if somebody was screwing around with the jack before, because it doesn't seem like it's the way how it's supposed to be. So yeah, let me see if the unpainted surface here conducts electricity. Crap, yeah. So the problem is the surface right there behind the jack does conduct electricity, and that's probably the reason why the original jack shorted out a little bit. So what am I to do? This surface right here is supposed to be painted right here, but it's not. Because it's not painted, that's the reason why you have problems. So we take out tape. Alright. And we insulate this area right here. Alright. And we also insulate that little guy that sticks out there. Right here. Okay. So we insulate those guys here. Like that. We drop this guy in place here. And now I want to put some insulation on that guy too, just in case. Okay, like that. Now we don't really have to insulate the ground because ground is ground by default. So like that. Alright. So everything is insulated. And you know what? I want to glue some stuff in place here, just in case, so that it wouldn't be moving at all. ready? Yeah. So let's put it all back together. Okay. I'm not sure about this connection here. Too much dust. Okay. Project repair. Yep. I apologize. What application are you talking about? I'm not following. No, it's not. It's 7555. Alright, so the reason I'm not sure if it's gonna work is that somebody removed that CMOS battery right here for some reason. Go figure why. Let's measure and see if there is any voltage coming out of it. Because if there isn't any, there is some. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to put it inside, and we want to put it. I see. Crap, huh? Why would people do that, huh? Okay, I see. Okay. Now this thing won't hold there in place for sure, so we need to make it hold. The regular tape gonna dry out and it's gonna stop it's gonna stop holding it in place. So we have to use this guy right here. This should hold it much better. Now I need to make sure that this whole thing is the way it should be. Okay. Now hopefully that's gonna hold it somehow. Kind of hold it, I hope. Yeah. So CD-ROM is in there. Let's put this guy in. Now, when the laptop has been out of power for a long time, there is a chance that it's not even gonna power up, so you need to leave it for the night in order to leave it for the night charging in order for it to power up. Alright, so nothing here. Nothing there. Something here. Come on. There's really nothing to screw. Nothing to screw anything to anything. Okay. Now let's put the hard drive in. Okay. Alright, let's hope it's gonna power up, which is highly unlikely. Alright, so here we got another problem. It's an aftermarket power supply, which probably doesn't work either. Let's see and measure it. Yeah, it sucks. Take a look inside of the barrel. It's all pretty much destroyed in there. But it still works. Let's power it up and see. Alright. Right, so we got the lights right here, showing that something's going on. Again, right there. And that is Toshiba right there. So, does work? Kind of. Starting Windows. Alright, so thanks for watching. And again, we are at powerjackrepair.org. powerjackrepair.org, and we fix Toshibas and everything else. So, thank you so much. Have a good day.